Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install React Native from Facebook, complete guide step by step clearly. To install React Native, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your system. Visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Now, you will need to install the Expo CLI, which simplifies the development process. Type the command npm install gexpo CLI and press enter to execute it. Wait for the installation to finish completely. After that, you'll want to create a new project. In your terminal, navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Use the command expo init your project name to initialize a new project. You will be prompted to choose a template. Select the blank template for a simple start and press enter. Once the project setup is complete, navigate into your project folder using cd your project name. To start your new React Native application, run the command npm start. This will launch a development server and open a new browser tab with the Expo developer tools. You will see options to run your app on iOS or Android simulators, as well as on your physical devices. To run the app on your device, make sure you have the Expo Go app installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Scan the QR code displayed in the Expo developer tools with your device's camera. Your React Native application will load on your device, displaying the default screen. Congratulations, you have successfully installed React Native and created your first app. Now, you can start developing your application further by modifying the code in your project folder. Explore the React Native documentation for more advanced features and techniques to enhance your development. Enjoy building your next application with React Native. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.